Hello friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. Welcome to the 12-part mini-series called Crafting at the Lake House, the September 2023 version. In this mini-series, I am going to demonstrate 12 projects plus 3, yes, you heard it right, 3 bonus projects that were designed for these attendees. Now, in the past, I had shared the event venue with you, but today I am sharing the faces and excitement of the attendees. We had a really special time together. Lots of laughter, fun, food, and goodies. That's what crafting is all about to me. I had a really amazing team that helped me out too. I am blessed with the best of friends. Thank you guys. So the book that everyone is excitedly showing you is a card design sketchbook called The Card Maker's Companion. The link is below if you want to order one for yourself. They're sold on Amazon. Now, let's get into the projects. Okay, kids, this is bonus card number 1. So the attendees of the lake house were gifted this stamp set called Beary Cute, and all of these components so that they were able to make the card that I have created at home if they wanted. So they got a little ink spot of Night of Navy, and you can see here I am stamping the bears and the toque and the scarf in Night of Navy. The scarf was stamped out or stamped off, generational stamping. We also had this little strip here and it says Merry Christmas, and we're stamping that full strength. And then we are going to adhere this to the pretty peacock card base just at the bottom here. So all the attendees, they got a PDF or a printed PDF of how to put this card together. They also got an actual picture of what it was supposed to look like. And they got, let's see, they got the Beary Cute stamp set. They got a full spool of balmy blue sparkle ribbon. They got a adhesive backed glitter gems, and they also got the Beary Christmas Designer Series paper. So this was their gifts that came in a lovely little bag, an event bag. And boy, was everyone, happy about it. You saw them go through their bags at the beginning of this video. So these are the projects they could have completed either at the event, or if they didn't have time, they could just complete them at home because they had all of the components. So I love that. I love being able to give people options. So there's Molly, my cat, by the way. She just wanted some attention. Living with cats. I've said that before. It's a real challenge, and most of the time it's comedy, but sometimes it can be a real challenge. Oh, there she is again. Sorry, I pushed her out of the way. I love them though. So I fussy cut the large bear and the small bear, the toque, and so I didn't include the punch. So anybody who wanted to purchase the punch, they could purchase it through me that day. I also offer free shipping on the Lake House event. So they were able to place an order if they wanted. There was no pressure by me. So I put a little bit of an adhesive on the toque and I stuck it to the bear, making sure that his eyeball or her eyeball, its eyeball was showing. And then I also, so here was a piece of the Beary Christmas Designer Series paper, and I cut it down to 3 3/4 by 3 3/4 square. And of course the attendees could do what they liked. And I put a little strip of adhesive along the front and along the 2 sides, or on the back. And this is just so I could adhere the ribbon. And this is that beautiful balmy blue sparkle ribbon. Oh my gosh, it is so soft and velvety. It's literally the prettiest ribbon. It doesn't tie a bow very well, but this is what I chose to gift to the attendees. So no bows may be made with this one. All right, so I put dimensional adhesive on the back of my designer series paper, and then I attached it to the front of my pretty peacock card base with the ribbon there. So, and then I just adhered the bears. The big bear went down with just regular adhesive, and the tiny bear I put on with dimensional adhesive. And again, we're going to adorn the card with the adhesive back glitter sequins. So I was super happy. I'm a giver, so that's my language of love. I love giving things to people, and this made me super happy. That is the bonus card number 1. You're going to see bonus card number 2 on Wednesday and bonus card number 3 on Friday, and you're going to be able to see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video see more section or in the supplies section of my blog. Always head to my blog if you're ever confused, and those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.